Deep in the lane of foam and clay, a mountain grew up high one day with lava, rain, and smoke so white. A tiny scientist stood with pride. Boom goes the volcano, watch it blow. Ash and bubbles start to flow. He built it strong, he made it right. Now it's erupting into the light. Boom goes the volcano, bursting free. Science, joy, and chemistry. From his hands the fire ignites. A little genius taking flight.